Yo, what up everyone, this is Brian Bracamontes, also known as Telescope 760. Subscribe to or follow my YouTube channel, Twitch channel, and Instagram. Alright, so this unboxing, as you can see, the freaking wording is going to be in reverse. I'm using the front facing camera on my phone. And excuse the telenovelas and stuff, it's a Telemundo. So here's my Amazon package. Gonna rip it, and here's the little box it comes with. Let's see, intelligent change of life. It's just a little logo. If I'm able to like edit it and then put it back to normal so you guys can actually read what's on it, then you'll see it in the video. If not, I apologize, my bad. In my kitchen instead of my my cave, so didn't feel like getting my tripod out. So here's what's in there. Bunch of paperwork. Here's the actual battery pack recharger. It's a dual channel charger for the Xbox One battery by the Beboncool, whatever. There it is right there. For 2 battery packs or 4 AA batteries. It has a Type C, micro USB, and Type A port. Paperwork. Anyways, if you guys hear any noise, it's gonna be those annoying ass birds. Also, battery pack 2, battery pack 3. There's nothing else in the box except styrofoam. So this is like the warranty thing that I showed you before. Open up the bags. So the battery packs look like this. This is the back side. The front side is a 2550 milliamp battery. So like 2 AA batteries. It looks like it's just taped around and stuff like that. Plus side, negative side, plus side, negative side. So you just put this into your Xbox remote controller. And then they're rechargeable, so use that, recharge it on here, see, like this, then put the other one on the other side and plug it in. That's pretty much it. There's battery pack number 2 and battery pack number 3 right there. So it comes with 3. Let me put this into there. I can't hold both of them. Here we go. So it's gonna look like that, and you plug this into a wall charger. It didn't come with a wall charger, but you connect this to your Xbox with this Type A connection, or any of the cables like the micro USB if you already have one, or the Type C. You should already have one with your cell phone, but it's probably upsetting that it didn't come with one. But I have a lot of cables, so I don't really care too much about it. This was only like $25 on Amazon. Other than that, you guys, that's it for my unboxing. Thank you guys for viewing this video. Give me a like, dislike. Don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel, and follow me elsewhere, like on Instagram and Twitch, for my live video gameplay. Alright, peace out. Thank you very much. Yo, what up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the Beboncool, hopefully I pronounced it right, Beboncool battery packs. Comes with 3 battery packs and the little rechargeable freaking thing for it works on rechargeable batteries and the batteries itself that it came with. Let's get on with this unboxing.